Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video I'm going to show you that your Instagram page is not showing on your Instagram. Just like that, I'm going to go to the Instagram and just go to that page of my. I'm going to search you have to page just like that and just go to that page, and your page is not available right now. You have to pop up on the screen of your Instagram and you want to open it of your page. So first of all, you have to go to that is you go to settings, just tap on that and just go to the main section of your settings and make sure that your Wi-Fi connection, also make sure that VPN is not connected. After that, just go scroll down and just go to general, just tap on it and just update to the latest iOS version. If you have a latest iPhone 16, and you just update to the latest iOS 18.4, maybe 18.4.1 version. And after that, just scroll down and just go to top 7, just tap on it and just tap on reset and just reset network settings. After that, just go back and just go to general, just tap on it and just go to sorted iPhone storage, just tap on it and just find the Instagram, just tap on it and you see that there is too much storage of that document, the data. Just offload app and delete it and again install it from the app store. So your problem gonna fix. So that's it video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.